You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
All right, guys, here we go. The last couple of days we've been doing some really hard working out. Today, put your machine on manual, and we're just going to go for a steady pace. 15 minutes. We're going to spin these legs, all right? So let's find the manual. We'll talk after we get started. It's all manual. Start. I'm going to keep mine on 10. Now I just want to spin today for 15 minutes. And remember, manual, you select the resistance on your own. If it's an even number, it will stay at that number. If it's an odd number, every time your counter goes to the next minute, it's going to switch you up to a harder resistance. Okay? Just want to use this day. Keep the legs moving. Nothing real hard. But at the same time, I personally want to keep my target range at 300 calories within that 15 minutes. Here's something we haven't talked about. Hand positioning. Alright? On the very top, if you notice, when I'm in a full out sprint, I put my hands there. Remember, when you run, or maybe you don't know it, your hands have to go the same speed as your feet. So when you're on the machine and your hands going at a certain speed, your legs are going to keep up. Next position is I move it down a little bit, right around the curve. When I do this, I seem to get a lot of tricep and bicep on the pull. And it works the back the most too. Alright? And then it's also designed to come all the way down there to the bottom. Work a lot of tricep. For this machine also has two grips right here. It will take your pulse rate, or you can hang on to it up here and just use all legs, and you have controllers up here too, same as down on the panel. So you can use the machine just for spinning, working your legs. But it was really designed for a full body workout. Got the iPhone watch on. Remember, the iPhone watch doesn't have this machine. So I have it on elliptical. So the calorie burn is completely different. This machine is very hard, and you get a lot more calorie burn out of it. Speaking of calories, we're at 95, 96. I'll let you know when we're at 100. At 100. Right at just under 4 minutes. Doing good, even for a relaxing day. So, with the heart rate, 153, Bowflex is telling me I'm at 153, so they match up. Sometimes it's a little different. You gotta remember, the heart rate's underneath my shirt right here. It only has a battery in it. So, you know, it can mess up once in a while, going from here to here. Where the iPhone watch is directly on me, getting my readings. Oh, this feels good, doesn't it? What really feels good, I'm not a superstar. Never claimed to be. But at 50 years old, not participating in sports anymore, and I can still spin like this, makes me feel good about myself. Keeps me healthy. And I feel good when I get done. Change my hand positions here. Change them. I know it's hard to tell. It looks the same. But actually, changing your hand positions, you're changing your body language. The rhythm in which you're doing it. Just like when I run in a 5K or a marathon, or used to. Running up a hill, down a hill. There's different techniques that I use in order to conserve the power in my legs. That's why a beginner, when they first try to run, any kind of hills kills them because they're not adapting to it. I first got this machine because I was going down to the local gym and they got all the equipment there. But up here in the oil field, once you're home and out of that cold, you really don't want to go back out again. It was just getting old after a while. And coming up on 200 calories. Good job. So, it was getting old after a while. I wasn't really using all the equipment in the gym. And I was seeing the advertisement for the Bowflex Max Trainer. And really impressed by it. And yet, it's a big investment for a piece of equipment at home. I don't know what the prices are now, but at the time, this cost me $2,500. So I discussed it with my wife, and we both knew I would use it all the time. So we said, all right, let's go for it. And here we are. I think it's 4 years later. I'm still using it. I love it. I love how fast you can get your workout in a short amount of time. 160 on the heart rate. I got my resistance at 10. We're just doing a steady pace, but on the manual mode. Remember, the manual mode, it counts up for you. let you know how many minutes you've been going instead of counting down. On a steady pace, it only gives you a resistance of 1. It's a 15-minute workout, and it's really hard to spin fast at that easy of a resistance. So, that's 10 minutes that went by. We said we were going to spin for 15 today. Heart rate's at 162. Get that blood flowing. 270 on the calories. Alright, I said before, if you don't have one of these machines, work out anyway. If you're not working out with me because you're thinking about getting one of the machines, don't delay the workout just because you don't have the machine yet. Run in place if you have to. Oh, by the way, the noise that you hear from the machine, that's the microphone on the camera that's enhancing that noise. As you can tell, you can hear my voice with no problem. The machine's not that loud. 300 calories. 11 and a half minutes. Going by. So, I live on the second floor in an apartment. Never have a complaint from my neighbors. They can't hear this. If my wife's in the other room, it doesn't bother her watching TV or something. So, don't think that this machine is obnoxious and noisy. It's not. What it is a full body workout. That's incredible. I don't get paid one dime from Bowflex to advertise this machine. And I would not be telling you or making a video with this machine if it sucked. I would just do it's push-up time and be happy with it. Instead of bringing a machine on that was a bunch of crap. That's not this machine. Coming up on 13 minutes. We're doing good. 345 on the calories. I'm going to pick up the pace. Feeling good right about now. I know I yak a lot, but I like talking to you guys. They also say when you're training for marathons, you can't hold a conversation while you're running. You're running too hard. So, does that mean I'm not running hard enough here? I'm just forcing myself to talk. imagine 15 minutes of me saying nothing? That'd be insane. What kind of video would that be? Wow, 15 seconds left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 393 calories. 15 minutes. All right. That was great. Awesome. Guys, whatever machine you have, just work out. You don't have to do it alone. I know it's boring. That's why I bring this to you. I could just very well do it on my own. Forget about the cameras, how much work it takes to put these films together, but I enjoy it. So, see you next time.